So I've decided to make this video because of comments from Phil Ho and Matt Miller. So initially your comments didn't make any sense to me. I didn't get what you were talking about, but eventually I got a clue and I figured out what you were saying, and that was that the placement of these legs was incorrect, and that the stationary post, or the post without casters, should be in line with the handle. And that's something that I didn't understand. And the reason I didn't understand is because there were literally no words in the instructions. Alright, there are no words with the instructions, it's just pictures. I guess it's multilingual. And after messing with this should be the simplest part of the grill. I found that I needed to go to the instructions, but even then I had to sort of improvise. So you've got two legs that are set up for casters. You've got to put this tab here to rest the ashtray on. Now, in addition to the video having low production value, like most of my videos, well, let's get real, all of my videos, I was also kind of having some fun with the video. I was kind of making fun of myself. Just holding it in place with just some pressure from my palm and then give it a tap. And I was showing somebody with minimal skills and minimal tools that anybody can put one of these things together. But what you're trying to do is you're trying to align this tab with the hole right there, but make sure that these are, well, about as parallel as possible. It shows in the instructions that this one here that has a that doesn't have a caster on it, somehow or another that the slot it goes into is marked, but I didn't see any markings. So in building this 22-inch Weber Kettle grill and making a few videos about it and about replacement parts for it, I've learned a few things. I'm hoping that those are things that people who watch the videos can learn from as well. And if not, maybe they can just have a good laugh, or maybe they've had a similar experience. But I would like to say that, unlike people who like to troll my videos, Phil Ho and Matt Miller were trying to help me out. It's just there was a little bit of a communication barrier. And I think that with YouTube, the comment section is a very important part. Not only does it let me know that somebody watched the video and maybe something about the video that was helpful to them, or maybe they're trying to help me out, but it allows us a back and forth communication. Both of these individuals could have maybe taken what I said the wrong way and not, I guess, help me to understand that I made a very simple mistake in making this, in putting this together. And for anybody out there in the future, I would say put the handle on first, or use the handle as the baseline. But like I showed originally, that there should have been some sort of marking, at least according to the diagram that I looked at. In conclusion, despite the fact that I'm making another video about this grill, I think that this was a positive experience on YouTube, not a negative experience on YouTube. Two individuals took the time out of their schedule to make multiple comments about the video, but they weren't trolling me. They were pointing out a simple mistake that I made assembling this grill in the original video. And I didn't understand that at first, but after a while I figured out what they meant. It took me less than 2 minutes to flip this grill over, push in the tabs on each leg, give a twist and a pull, remove all of the legs as one assembly, and line them up correctly where the leg without the caster was in line with the handle. So in essence, I learned something, and hopefully I can share that with the audience. And that's what I thought YouTube was all about. Us sharing our experiences, us sharing our opinions, and us sharing knowledge. We create a conversation. There are some people out there that want to censor us. There are some people out there that want to troll because, well, they have pathetic lives and they're really not trying to do anything productive. Despite the fact that I might come off harsh on some of my videos, I am not one of those people. And I appreciate those two individuals helping me out so that I can correct a mistake that I made. And if I'm man enough to make this extra video, not because I'm monetized, not because I'm getting compensated, not because I care about my analytics, simply because I'm trying to share with the audience, then doesn't that show that we all have equal opportunity, because this is America, the land of equal opportunity, not equality of outcome, equality of opportunity, to use this free platform to make videos like this. Thanks for watching. Okay, all these things have fucking dimples. So, all these look identical. So that picture in your fucking instruction manual can suck my asshole.